Hi everybody, this is Ideas Times Two and I'm Cindy. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm really excited to share something with you because it's a giveaway. And recently we reached 5,000 subscribers. We're actually now over 5,100. And we are so grateful to everybody who subscribes to our channel and watches our videos. And you know, we've had our channel about 3.5 years, I think, and we, haven't been one of those channels that has that has gone viral. We just are a slow and steady growth, and we are so happy with that, and so pleased with all of you. We appreciate you all so much. So I have put together a little package, and I want to share what that is and give you the opportunity to win all these little goodies I've put together. So the first thing I want to share is this ephemera folder, and it's not huge, but is about 6 by 9, 6 by 8.5 by about 1.5, I think, 1.5 inches, and it's a 4-fold. So the closure is just some crinkle ribbon and a bee charm, and you can tell from the cover I have kind of a bee theme, and not everything is matchy-matchy, but it is all bee related, and depending on your your style, there's a little bit of something for everybody. So the closure, it just ties on, and this charm is adorable, and I just picked that up at Hobby Lobby around Christmas. I had some gift cards, and they had a sale, so just really sweet though. And I have a matching blue pen. It's got our name on it, Ideas Times Two. I love these pens. I think they're super cute. And then the folder, like I said, it's a quad fold, and I have this collaged paper bag, and inside it's just got all sorts of ephemera, book pages about bees and offcuts, and I think there's some tickets and tags and just all sorts of stuff bee related. And so I've been counting this as one piece of ephemera in the folder. So altogether it's 20 pieces of ephemera, but most of the pieces are multiple pieces. I don't even know how much is in here, but it's a bunch. There are 2 pockets on the flaps. This first one has a little folder with a journaling card inside of it, and a glassine envelope, and inside of here are a bunch of little ephemera cards. Almost everything in here is homemade, but I do have some ephemera cards I thought were really cute and wanted to share. This pocket has a tag, a pocket that is collaged, and a journaling card in there, about the size of a bookmark. You could use that as a bookmark. And another journaling card that's just lightly collaged. Nothing is over elaborate. I wanted to make sure that, whatever your style is, if you like really elaborate stuff, you can add embellishments. If you're like me and you don't like things that are too embellished, then they're just right the way they are. So let's look at this side. And over here I have a couple of tags that are collaged with book pages, and the backs are blank for journaling. I have some bee napkins, and which I think are gorgeous, and this collaged envelope made from a book page, and inside it has a journaling card, coffee stained index card, so pretty much has everything that you might need to make and embellish a journal. I just love this picture. I'd been saving it, and I don't know if I was saving it for myself to do something, but I just couldn't resist that one. So I love that, and I didn't embellish it at all just because I just love that picture so much. This pocket has 5 journaling cards, and these are just various bee images, artwork kind of associated with bees. This card has a pocket with just a small offcut in there, and a large card. So those all go in that pocket, and then on the other side, this pocket has a small journal, and it's unembellished, but it is, everything in here is kind of bee, some gorgeous bee wrapping paper, book pages, and look how cute this paper is, sunflowers and bees. You know, who can resist? This envelope is collaged, and inside is a collage tag and a library pocket and card. And the last pocket has a large card, and this is decoupaged with a napkin, obviously, the same one as I put in the pocket. Back is blank for journaling. Another journal card, and a tag that has a little cluster on the bottom, and the back is blank. And this glassine envelope has some clusters that are ready to be glued in, and each of the clusters has some kind of a charm or beads or buttons as well. So, and those can come off and be used somewhere else in a journal, but I think these turned out awfully cute. I found this ribbon at Hobby Lobby, and it's just bees. I just thought it was super cute, which I think I've said super cute now 3 times. I just got home from work, and I had 9th graders this afternoon, so I may be talking like a 9th grader. And let's see, the last thing in the journal are just some trims that I've basted together so they can easily be taken apart, and they all kind of match everything that's in here, and I just clipped it on so that you know, they could be taken out and used as needed. So quite a bit of ephemera in there, some homemade, some store-bought. But this is not the only thing that we're giving away, the pen and the ephemera folder. But I also have a couple of other little things. Like I said, I put together a package. And so I have the small 2-signature naked journal. And it can be used, it's got some bee stuff in here, so you can see the end papers, and I reinforced the spine with this gorgeous bee canvas. And I think there's some wrapping paper. Oh, I think it's sunflowers. I like sunflowers and bees together. But just a simple 2-page, it's got 90-ish, I think, pages in it. And so it can be embellished as much or as little as you want. Use it for writing or embellish it. And I thought about embellishing the cover, but, you know, hey, if you're a crafter, you might want to do it yourself. So I just left it blank. And so This journal measures 5 by 7.5, if I remember right, and just the 1-inch spine. So cute little journal. And then we're also giving away this gorgeous composition notebook. I'm kind of loath to give it away because, of course, I bought it because I thought it was pretty. And the pages inside are college ruled. And it's just a nice little composition notebook. So this all is going to go in the mail to somebody, and maybe it'll be you. So in order to win, you need to be a subscriber and give us a like and a comment down below. So super simple. You don't have to jump through any hoops for us. We just appreciate you and want to show our appreciation with this small gift. So to win, or to be eligible to win, you need to be a subscriber. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not already a subscriber. Give us a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't checked out our Etsy shop, check us out on Etsy. The link is below. Our Facebook group and Instagram are also below. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. The drawing will be, let's make the drawing. What is today? The 17th, 18th? So next Friday, I don't have a calendar handy, and I don't have my phone handy even. What is the date? I should have checked. I was thinking September 2nd, but that's the week after. So the 26th, on August 26th, after I get home from work, so 3:30, 4 o'clock, I will use the random comment generator to pick a winner. And maybe it will be you. I hope so. So remember, pretty simple. Be a subscriber. So hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and a comment below. So thank you everybody for joining me today for this quick flip through of the prize for our giveaway. And I will see you later for a tutorial, and on the 26th, 3:30, 4 o'clock for the drawing. Sound good? Awesome. I'll talk to you later, and have a fantastic weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.